What's going on, tech friends? This is the well-known Tech Boss. So today, what I have for you guys is a light that's gonna change the whole look of my videos, make it more professional, and make it more soothing to the eyes to watch, basically. So the lights I have at the moment, they're not very good. I think I can't remember what they're called, but it's just a cheap one from Amazon, and it doesn't really do the job because at the moment I'm thinking, right, it's either my camera or the light, and the camera I have is worth around $1,300 or pounds, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, quite an expensive piece of kit, and yeah, the quality should be really good. So I'm thinking it might be the light. If it's not the light, then yeah, the camera I've got is just not good enough. But yeah, anyway, this right here is an aperture light, and yeah, this is what they use to do filmmaking, and yeah, a lot of YouTubers have this kind of lights. There is a more expensive one which is called the aperture light, aperture 120D, and that's really expensive. You're looking about thousands of pounds here, and yeah, this is the cheaper alternative for the aperture light. This one's called the Godox SL60W. So yeah, probably is the SL series, so it could be other series on the lineup, I don't know, but this is the SL series. So yeah, let's crack this thing open. Let's see what we're dealing with. I have seen some videos on this on YouTube, and yeah, the light is the bomb. So here I think we have the cable to, no, the power cable essentially. As you can see, it's a 3-pin, which is there, to your UK plug, American plug if you're in America. But yeah, that's the big ass, that's a long ass flipping wire as well. See if it tells you how long it is. No, it doesn't. Oh no, wait. No, it doesn't. But yeah, that looks like a long cable. Thank God for the Chinese people to make the cheaper option for all the most expensive tech out there that people like me can't get my hands on, which is good. So we have that. We have, what else is in here? Oh, nice. This is well, this is the what you even call this thing? I don't even know what you call this thing. This is what you put on the light, so it beams. Yeah, that's all I got. Now we got the big boy. Let's have a look at the remote first. So this is the remote to control the thing. I was watching a few videos online, and they're saying the remote is very sensitive. So if you drop it on a surface or whatever, the light comes on. So I'm gonna see how that works. Oh wow. They could have at least given us batteries, man. They could have at least given us some kind of batteries. But yeah, I like the quality of the remote. It's really nice. It's slick. And yeah, it's simple. Got the plus button to increase the brightness. You got the on button, and yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, I was trying to see if there's any batteries, but there's no batteries. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. Wow, that looks like a nice piece of kit. That is amazing. That is nice. It's made out of metal, some kind of metal, probably aluminum, like the Americans say, or aluminium, that the English say. But yeah, it's nice. It's got that new it's got that new fresh, new technology, fresh smell to it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. As you can see, we got a power button on there. Now you got a screen to display your brightness and what settings you're in or what mode you're in. And then we have a brightness thing knob over here to tell you, well, for you to increase the brightness or reduce the brightness. Whereas, and then obviously you got that three pin female connector over there, so you can connect the thing up and charge it up, well, and use it basically. But yeah, so how does this work? Oh, okay. Oh wow. So we got the lid for it, which is pretty cool. So in theory, this should sit in there and on a stand, and it should project the light, basically. Well, yeah, man, look at that. That is freaking cool. Got the heat sink all the way around there, which is pretty cool. And then I suppose you loosen this up, and this is where you, yeah, that's pretty cool. Right, so what I'm gonna do is set this all up. Obviously got the remote, I'm gonna find some battery for them. Set it all up, and yeah, I'm gonna compare what the natural light is giving me now, plus what obviously this is gonna give me. So yeah, I'll see you guys in literally 1 second. So guys, I've got the light set up right now. It's not on a stand or anything like that, but that should do the trick at them right now. You should show them how. This is my setup right now, boys. The way I've set the light up. Boom. Right, okay. I've got the remote here. I've just worked out you can only, right now I can only control the percent of the brightness at the moment. I need to fiddle around with this and try and understand Chinese so I can figure out what this remote actually, what else it does. But yeah, hit the lights. Right, so that's the camera right now with no light, just natural light. And right now, I probably look white to you guys right now, but oh my god, that is bright. I don't have the softbox here, that's coming soon, so I'm gonna put that on because right now that is extremely bright, right? But I look amazing, don't I? I mean, I might look white, but yeah, right. So what you can do with this, you can turn down the brightness, the percentage. So we can go from 10 to 100, but we're gonna turn it down all the way to 10. You can see how the light slowly just reduce down and turn it back up to 100. So like I said, it goes from 10% to 100, depending on like what kind of lighting that you have at the moment when you're filming, and how bright you want the brightness to be. You can turn it up all the way to 100, but now that's 100%, and you can do 50% or whatever you want to do. But yeah, that is way too bright. Oh, okay. Right, now let me test out that thing that when you drop the remote too quickly or too hard, the light comes on. No, it's not doing that. So everyone online has been telling me and has been saying that it does that, it doesn't do it. Maybe they fixed that problem, I'm not sure about. That is not sensitive at all, I can just drop it. And now let's put it back on. Oof! I literally looked directly inside of it, oh my god. Oh, that is way too bright. But when the softbox comes, I'll put it in there. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna have space in the studio for it, but yeah, we're gonna have to see how it is. But yeah, guys, I know if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, the videos are gonna be so much better with this new light. But yeah, oh my god. Right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.